Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can export your Godot game project for web. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll just create one project. I'll just save it to desktop. I'll select as current folder. I'll just name it as demo. I'll click on create. I'm not going to do anything significant, so I'll keep my game simple. So here I'll just create one 2D scene. I'll take a sprite 2D. Okay, and I'll just drag and drop this icon.svg which is there. Okay, and I'll just move it at the center. Okay, so I think, and I'll just expand it a little bit. Okay, so yeah, this is my game. I'll just command S to save it, and I'll just select the roots. I'll just run this so that my root scene is selected. Here you can see this is our game. Now I want to export it for web. So what you'll have to do, at the very top you will have to go to project, click on export, click on add, click web, then here you just have to click on export project. So inside, so maybe I will just use the, so it's up to you where you want to save it. So I'll just create one more folder named output. Okay, and I'll click on save, and I will just uncheck this export with debug. I don't want this debugging options, so I'll just click on save. Now if you just go to your desktop, here you can see this is the output, and just open this in demo.html. Here you can see, you see something like this, but then it says load failed, because if you see the output, it has this wasm file, and I think it requires a live server. So the easiest way, according to me, I know there like you can install live server using Python, or maybe you guys are comfortable with that, but what I typically do, I already have VS Code installed. So I'll just open a new tab over here, and what I'll do is I'll just drag and drop this output folder inside VS Code. Then I will just go to extensions over here and just search for live server, and here I'll just install this live server. Okay, so this is installed. Then what you can do, at the very bottom you will see an again, make sure your project is open, the entire folder, output folder, and then just click on go live, and here you can see, you see something like this. Then just click on the .html file, and now here you can see it has loaded our project. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.